I am lost. It's nasty. You'll leave your chili sitting on the ground. Got a whole 3/4 deer in my shirt right now. I was actually on my way to go meet up with a couple guys to go ride around with. And one of their bikes broke down, so he ended up towing it back to where he lived. Me and my other buddy went to go scout this route that we wanted to ride later on when it starts to warm up, and that ride ended up turning out to be garbage. The road was awful. I hate that.
The beginning of it was amazing, the last half was like, okay, terrible. On that part.
You gotta have a couple miles of nice, smooth, scenic twisties, but the rest of it is just bumps and potholes and patches and just awful road. So now I'm tired, and I wanna go get Subway. I've always had this tradition: Subway sandwich, cheese puffs, and Moto GP. I still haven't seen the Indonesian GP yet, so I'm going to get my tuna sandwich from Subway and pick up some cheese puffs. And we're going to go watch Marc Marquez crash out of the Indonesian GP.
Wow! Wow!
If anything, this is just a little test video to test out the new mic location. I had it stuffed up in the chin vent because I didn't want to actually mount it inside my chin bar. So I stuffed it up in my chin vent, and I was still getting a lot of wind noise. The quality of the audio was fine, but I was still getting a lot of wind noise in there while I was talking. It just wasn't fun to listen to. So I ended up moving the mic. No! That's so embarrassing! Anyways, I ended up putting another wind muff on the microphone to try to buff that wind noise, and then I moved it from the chin vent to the inside of my cheek pad. So I stuffed it between my cheek pad and the EPS of the helmet. That was my exit! I think we can turn around up here, hopefully. Now, can we get back on the highway like we got off? Because if not, I am lost. It's dark and I'm scared. Can I turn left? Can I turn left? Oh man. Is this a freaking... I don't know. Alright, whatever. I'm going across. I think it's the right way. Yeah. This looks right. We're saved! Oh, shoot, this way. Oh no. 169 north. That's why if you don't know where you're going in Oklahoma, if you don't know the roads, you're dead. I don't know where we're going again. I don't know where I'm at. That's the old trick-a-rooney. Ever since I stopped running mirrors, I realized if I don't want to look suspicious and do a head check, I can look like I'm looking down at my bike, but my visor has good enough field of view that I can actually see behind me if I look down at my bike. You just look down at your bike, and then you twist your eyeballs all the way back. That way you're not doing this number, looking suspicious if there's someone behind you. Oh yeah. A wise man would run mirrors, but I think it looks good in pictures. Ah, almost made the light. I just realized I didn't bring my backpack with me. How am I gonna take my sandwich home? La 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 la. What's going on over there? There's a bunch of lights on. Where do I turn? Can I go in there? the subway. Ah, I can turn here. Nice. I just want the subway. That's what I want. Look at all that trash. What is that? Alright, boys, we got the sandwich. We got the sandwich. But you know, I feel weird leaving this trash on the ground. We're gonna reduce, reuse, and recycle. This is nasty. You're gonna leave your chili sitting on the ground? Do better. Who raised you? Now it's all over my gloves. Are you kidding? See, now I gotta go wash these. Disgusting. Do better, people. Do better. Gotta do the old sandwich down the shirt trick. Maybe. If we can. That's cold. Alright. Alright. Got any extra chili on my gloves? No. Alright. Let's go. Do better. Come on. Everyone else on the planet isn't your mama. Where's the cheese puffs? Oh well. This is good enough. Subway didn't have them, so I had to come here. Thank you. These are my favorite chips. Down the shirt. Not down the hoodie because it'll fall out. I got a whole 3-course meal in my shirt right now. Alright, let's go home. Let's go home and watch some MotoGP. MotoGP?
MotoGP? MotoGP? MotoGP? MotoGP? MotoGP?
I got chili on my thumb. The chili went through my glove. That's all I got for a video today. And it's gonna be raining for the next 4 days, so maybe we'll do like a moto vlog setup or something. Now that I finally got kind of what I want. If this audio turns out okay, I don't even know if it will. But hey, if it picks up my voice when I'm talking like this, like normal, I don't have to screech and holler and make a fool of myself inside my helmet, that'd be great. I feel like it should be able to. It's a pretty decent mic. It's a Purple Panda mic still. I'm still using that. You know, the one that I said was bad, but it turns out it was just my phone that was bad, so then I had to hook it up to the GoPro and get the stupid block to put on the side of my helmet, and then it finally worked. So turns out the mic is actually pretty decent. Leave a like and a comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.
How's it supposed to